Right here I have this 3-pack long sleeve polo shirts that you need in your closet. What's up everybody, my name is TJ. I am 5'11", 150 pounds, and I'm wearing a size medium. Now I do think this shirt is absolutely true to size. It comes down to a perfect length on me and also hits my arms perfectly to where it's not too short or not too long. I think this has an amazing tailored design that gives you a really nice athletic fit all the way throughout. It just looks amazing. This is gonna be the 3-pack shirt. I have a light blue, a dark blue, and a black. Now this shirt is made with a 95% polyester and a 5% elastane, which is gonna give this a really nice 4-way stretch all the way throughout, making it perfect for athletic wear if you're gonna wear this golfing, pickleball, tennis, or just a day at the office to stay really dry and comfortable. Now, one thing I really like about this is you're gonna have these really nice accent buttons on here that are gonna have like a brown and a white, and it's gonna be black. So that's a really good contrast. And then also on the inside, we're gonna have a light blue contrast, and that's gonna be the same with all 3 of these that I do have. And you're also gonna get that on the back of the collar. So when you have this open, it's gonna give it a nice contrast, nice color, and I love the way that that is just a really nice styling piece. Now this fits really good over the shoulders, and it's just a really tailored look, and I love that. Now on the top of the collar, it is gonna be a different material that has a ribbed stretch to it, and it's very comfortable and just looks really good. This black one looks really nice as well. A couple other features I like is you're gonna have the ribbed look on the sleeves as well. So you're gonna be able to pull this up to your forearms and it'll be very comfortable and it'll actually stay there. I really like that feature. So if it is like a hot day or you're sweating, you can just pull your sleeves up. You're gonna feel good and maybe cool down just a little bit. But again, this fabric is super breathable and it's gonna be moisture wicking all day. Now we are gonna get a 3-button setup going all the way up. I got a 15-inch neck and we're gonna see how this fits. Looks like we have just a little bit of extra room there, so it's not gonna be hugging your neck super tight, but does look good with 1 button open, 2 button open, or you could just wear this all the way open and just really cool off and feel comfortable. Now lastly, we're gonna have a vent on the bottom of this that's gonna have that blue contrast color as well, and that's gonna give you a lot more flexibility and movement so you can move around in this shirt, playing sports or activities, making this shirt absolutely perfect for everyday wear. I would definitely wear a shirt like this to the office because it looks very professional and you're gonna be comfortable all day. Definitely date night, something you can pack in your bag on vacation, or you can wear this on the golf course. Overall, this is a very lightweight, breathable, comfortable shirt that's super versatile. Check out all the other colors that they have to offer. Add this to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.